Hi everyone, I'm Sio from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to unblock someone on Snapchat. Unblocking someone allows you to reconnect and resume interactions with them on the platform. So, let's get started on how to unblock someone on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Tap on the settings option from the top right corner of your screen. Here, scroll down and find the blocked users option. Once you find it, tap on it. Here you can see the list of all the users that you have blocked on Snapchat. Find the user that you want to unblock. Once you find the user, tap on the cross mark right beside their profile name. A confirmation menu will appear. Finally, tap on the Yes button to confirm your decision. And this is how you can unblock someone on Snapchat.
Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.